What if creating dashboards in your network management platform was as easy as having a conversation? No coding, no clicking through endless menus, just asking. Meet Ask EDA, your digital network engineer. It's faster than humans, smarter than humans, and yes, it's always on. I needed a quick way to visualize our network alarms, and I'm not what you'd call a UI designer. I can barely draw a straight line. Instead of diving into a dense and boring user manual, I just asked EDA, create a dashboard with all the active alarms. Seconds later, there it was, a fully rendered chart ready to go. Then I asked EDA to make it a donut chart. EDA adjusted the visualization instantly. Ask EDA built the charts I asked for, and I could drag and drop them directly into our dashboards panel. No manual queries, no coding, no editing, no wasted time. Without custom dashboards, I was stuck with default monitoring views. Without Ask EDA, I might have spent a week trying to bend default dashboards to my will. Now, I just ask. EDA remembers what I built last time, suggests related metrics, and helps refine visuals on the fly, so I'm never starting from zero. It's the smartest network engineer I've ever worked with, and it never sleeps. Ask EDA, your always-on AIOps assistant. Have a question about your networks? Just ask EDA.